We shall now understand how we can create an Instagram account. The first thing that you need to do is to download the Instagram app from the Play Store or from your Android or from your iOS. You then create an account using your email address, or you can also log into this platform using your Facebook login credentials. Once you have signed up, choose a very recognizable username for your Instagram profile. A lot of Instagram profiles have very wacky and creative usernames, but make sure that your audience will recognize you with those names and can find you easily on these platforms. Once you have selected your username, pick the right profile picture for your page. This Instagram profile picture can be either imported from Facebook or Twitter, can be also uploaded by taking a picture right at the moment or choosing it from a content library. For brands, generally the brand logo serves the purpose of the profile picture. Once you have uploaded the profile picture, fill the basic profile details like your name, phone number, etc. Now that you have filled up all the information, you are finally in the app and you see the home screen. Because you have used this platform for the first time, it will ask you to follow a few people, it will show their pictures and will also give you a quick tour of the different buttons or different options from left to right that is available on the platform. These buttons include the home button, which lets you see the photos from all the people that you follow. The second button is the search button, which will help you find different people, places, things or different hashtags that people are posting here. The center button or the third button is the camera one. When you tap here, you can either upload a picture which is already shot, or using the camera, you can click a new picture that can be uploaded in the app. The fourth button is the notifications button. It helps you see the most recent people that you could follow from your account or the posts that you could favorite. It will also give you details about different requests that you receive from people to follow you and any other interactions that the audience has made with the content that you have uploaded. The last button on the right hand side is the profile button. This will help you understand every details about your account, everything that you have posted till date, and will also give you access to the settings menu. If you click on the profile button and then click edit profile, you will get edit profile screen when you need to fill in details and complete your profile. These details would be basic like name, your username, the URL to your website, a small introduction or a bio about you, any phone number if you have filled in. You also get an option to edit the profile picture that you have uploaded into your account while creating the profile. Once you are done filling the information, click on the done button on the right hand side of the screen. Then you can next go to the options menu and set up all your social sharing. You can connect your different social accounts like Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, Flickr, Foursquare, etc. to your account. This will enable you to share all the content that you publish on this platform to these various linked accounts. Once you are done with setting up your profile, post something to your new account which will catch the attention of the audience. Always remember, when you upload a picture to share, caption the picture and always hashtag before you post the picture on your account. Make sure you use a number of hashtags, but these hashtags have to be relevant to the picture that you are uploading.